Hi, I'm Bovy. I'm a professional racing driver from Belgium.
My name's Pittard. I'm a professional racing driver for Aston Martin.
Welcome to the 992 RS
Nürburgring lap record holder and Nürburgring 24 hours winner.
Winnings 24 hours of Spa and 5 participation to the 24 hours of Le Mans.
The idea behind the 992 RS program is to educate the owners in what their cars are capable of. This is one of the most sophisticated track cars that is available ever on the market today, and is very complex as a result. So using our knowledge as professional racing drivers and as well as engineers, we're able to bridge the gap between the engineering side and the driving side so that we can optimize the performance and the driving experience of these amazing cars.
The reason why we do that is because very often we get into a track day and we rush on track and we just want to drive, and it's difficult to have all this information coming from your coach, your instructor, everything that's happening too fast, too quickly, too much information. We want to take the time to actually explain you all of that theory outside of the track, outside of the car, and then we bring you on track and we try to demonstrate all that by doing a few exercises, showing you a few different of setups and everything that we can change on this very nice GT3 RS. All of that together, it's the perfect mix, I think, to understand the finesse of this car, how it's working, how a different change of setups are going to change your way of approaching a corner, and how ultimately it will help you get better.
The key element to the 992 RS program is understanding the physics behind the changes and the output behind the changes that are available on the car. By using our experience of working and engineering with race cars, and as well as driving them at some of the greatest races in the world, we can give you our knowledge to help you optimize your setup to increase your performance as well as your driving experience here at Spa.